Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I try to teach you guys how to invest into digital currency and how to be profitable investing into cryptocurrencies. And I've been doing an amazing job, I think, giving you guys some extreme projects that's been performing absolutely just beautifully. And if I challenge you guys actually to go to my YouTube channel, if you haven't, go look at my past video. Everything that I have mentioned are pumping, literally. Even Unify, that was down for a long time, is now $17 from $6. So that was the last one that I had that hasn't been pumping, and now that's just a game over now. So I want you guys, if you feel that one of my coins have not been performing as you wish, please drop it in the comment below. Let me know. I'm probably going to answer you because I'm trying to grow this channel as much as I can. And if you appreciate everything that I've been bringing to you, you know what to do. Click the like button and just drop a comment below. Subscribe to the channel. In this video, guys, I have something really important I need to share with you. It's something that not a lot of people are paying attention to. And I just want to help everyone to be in front of the herd. Like, you need to prepare so that you can be in front before when the herd arrives, you're just riding the wave up. And if you guys haven't checked my last videos, paid network already doubled in price, which is insane. And all of these guys, you should definitely go check them out and try to figure out when you can enter a position in these projects. There are a lot of coins that have not popped yet. But let's take a look at the market. And as you can see, Bitcoin is back over $40,000. We are going to pump hard. We're going to pump hard. I'm going to be doing some technical analysis in this video, showing you guys what I'm looking at. But this is very important in this graph right now that you're looking at. As you can see, Bitcoin is green and Ethereum is red, and you have a lot of altcoins slightly in the red today. And I'm going to explain to you exactly what is happening in a second. Okay, let's go to CoinMarketCap. As you can see, the whole market cap is up 4.2%. Ethereum gas fee is finally taking the chill pill. So if you haven't gotten into paid network, I would probably try to buy some now it's on Uniswap, since the gas fees have lowered. And a lot, guys, in the past 7 days, they're just up over 2 digits, and it's been insane. In the past 24 hours, we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin, guys, I would highly recommend maybe putting like maybe $100 in Dogecoin, just let it ride, because I saw in the charts that Dogecoin is going to pump hard, maybe do 150% to 12 cents, and very short term. So, and Elon Musk is also pumping that. So that's just the play trade that I've been doing. But the purpose of this video is to show you guys some of the more important things. And we're going to go to look at the chart of Bitcoin. And I want to show you guys what I'm looking at right now. As you can see, guys, Bitcoin has literally dodged death. People are expecting that we're going to break below, because we tested this resistance line of $29,000 once. We tested it twice. We tested it a third time. We tested it a fourth time. And the more that you test a resistance line, the more likely you are to break it. But what happened is, after Elon Musk put Bitcoin on his Twitter, this pump happened. So this entire downtrend is kind of like now eliminated, and now we're literally watching Bitcoin go through this uptrend. And this channel is very important as well, because I've been keeping an eye on this channel, because this channel, Bitcoin doesn't stay in it long, but it's a good base for it, especially when it's about to take off. So right now, what I'm looking at is I'm waiting for Bitcoin to break over its previous all-time high at 41,793. And once we do that, Bitcoin would probably go, let's just say 42,000. Bitcoin would probably go to new all-time highs. And this is the thing. I want you guys to understand this. I am really excited for Bitcoin to make new all-time high, but at the same time, I'm being very cautious, because if you're new to this market, you need to understand that when Bitcoin is growing and when Bitcoin is pumping, it kind of takes away a lot of the room for everything else to pump because Bitcoin takes the spotlight. When Bitcoin is pumping, altcoins take a hit. That's why we saw Bitcoin was up and Ethereum was slightly down, but that's not saying that Ethereum was going to go down from here. Ethereum is going to make more new all-time high, and I believe Ethereum would outpace Bitcoin. But in the short term right now, this is why I wanted to show you guys what I'm looking at in order for you to better prepare what you should do next. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, this is looking great. This is looking very bullish. I'm seeing maybe that if we do break this all-time high, $50,000 is absolutely very close in the cards. We could literally snap from 42,000 straight to 50,000. That is highly possible because this is a very speculative market. So people are going to buy on the fact that Bitcoin's making all-time high. But what I really want to show you guys today is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, this is something to always pay attention to because if you are invested in altcoins, you need to understand how Bitcoin trades against altcoins and how altcoins trade against Bitcoin. And as you can see, this is in 2017 when Bitcoin dominance was tanking, altcoins were making all-time high. This is when you had altcoins doing 100x in 2017. This happens because this here happened. Okay, I want you guys, I know this might be a little hard at first to understand this, but once the Bitcoin dominance goes down, altcoins goes up is what I'm going to show you. This is another chart called others. This chart, which you can get on TradingView also, this is the market cap of all the altcoins against Bitcoin. And as you can see, if I put this on the daily, this is kind of like the opposite. So where I'm trying to get out here is that this is something very important that you need to look at in order to decide where your position should be in at the moment and what is happening. So, but the reason I want to bring this up to you is I believe that while Bitcoin, let me go back to Bitcoin dominance, this pump, as you can see, has caused a lot of the altcoins to take a little dip. But as you can see now, these altcoins are kind of like recovering. So I want to go back on the 1 hour so you guys can see this a little bit up close. So obviously, this means this as basically the market cap of Bitcoin dominance was going down, you had altcoins going up. And now we have touched a resistance line on the Bitcoin dominance and we're bouncing back off of it. I want to show you how that happened on the others dominance. So here, right, so let me put this on the 4 hours. So I want to show you guys this. So there was this trend line here that we dipped below, and that to me was very scary, and that's because Bitcoin was pumping so hard at the time. And if you look back here on the daily, this trend line since 2017, since 2016 have held for the altcoins. And basically every time the altcoins have touched this trend line, we've seen extreme pump action, and we've seen extreme gains in the altcoins. And once we hit that top that started going down, the altcoins started losing a lot of their value compared to Bitcoin. And basically we are just in a major triangle right now. So what I want you to be aware of, these are certain possibilities that may happen. If we break out of this triangle to the upside, guys, this is going to be making a lot of us rich. We're going to make a lot of money because just if we break up to this, altcoins will be in full alt season mode. Meaning these coins that I've been talking about are not just going to be doing 10x, they're probably going to be doing 20 to maybe 40x gains, even 100 for some. So that's why I want to share this with you, and I want you guys to be prepared because if you look here, once we broke that, it shook some people out and we bounced back up from that. And what I want to bring up here is, as you can see, there is a possibility that once we hit this area that we may go back down. So that's maybe what I'm looking for, to start taking major profit from my altcoin trades. And I don't want the video to be too long, but I just want to make sure that you guys understand this concept. Now back to the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, you see the similarities is that once we touch under that trend line, we bounce back up, and altcoins are making gains while Bitcoin's going down. And similar thing is happening here, is we're bouncing back off that. There's a possibility that Bitcoin dominance start going up, which will probably hurt a lot of the altcoins. But if I put this on the daily, you can see also this trend line has been a strong line since 2018, because that was the bottom here of the Bitcoin dominance. So now if altcoins actually keep rallying and cause the Bitcoin dominance to keep going under this, even as if this crosses 60 over here, 59, we will see what I basically was telling you here, this going over the 10 mark, and basically altcoins, what happened in 2017, which is this, may happen again. So this is a few things that I'm taking a look at. I'm watching it very, very, very closely. If you want to be profitable in this market, you need to understand two things. The first thing is everything resolves around Bitcoin and what Bitcoin does. And by understanding that and by just accepting it, you will save yourself a lot of pain. And on top of that too, you need to understand two couple key metrics. Okay, when Bitcoin pumps, altcoins stay kind of like easy, and they also may lose in value. But when Bitcoin goes sideways is when altcoins explodes. This is what's been happening here. If you're looking at on the 1 hour here, this is Bitcoin going sideways. This is why all these altcoins have been pumping since the beginning of this year. If I go back, Bitcoin going sideways, altcoin we're pumping here. Bitcoin, every time Bitcoin goes sideways, altcoins were pumping. Bitcoin goes sideways here, altcoins were pumping. And same thing is happening now. All right. Another thing too is that on the 1 hour, you can see that we're not fully oversold. So Bitcoin actually, guys, has a lot of room to run. And I see this as a rocket literally preparing itself to explode, to not just explode, but take off. You know what I mean? So if you guys are accumulating right now, maybe altcoins, I would highly recommend maybe be patient. If it's an altcoin that has been pumping a lot, what I want you to do is keep them in your radar and literally wait for the opportunity that Bitcoin starts ripping up, and you will see the altcoins will dip. Maybe you see some down 10-20%. Pick up those altcoins that you did not have an opportunity to buy. Okay, they will go back up. What I'm saying is an opportunity is going to present itself where you can start buying that dip. And there's nothing better than when you know the dip is coming. So that's why I want you guys to pay attention to these. All right, guys, this is all that I have for you guys today. If you haven't already, please go check out some of my old videos. You know what to do if you appreciate that I'm bringing this important information to you. All these coins that I have mentioned, they're doing extremely well. Please go back and check them out. See which ones that you're more interested in, and be like, okay, if Bitcoin does pump hard, and if this kid Future Proof is right, and all these altcoins take that dip, what am I gonna buy? Be prepared, guys. This is your future. This is your money. You work hard for it. You need to have a plan. You need to have a plan in mind and follow that plan so you can be profitable in this market. This is all I have for you guys today. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most importantly, stay future proof.